crazy ride earlier today, coming over Mountain Pass in Laramie. Sure enough, blizzard come out the sky. There was some times I hit some ice too on the road, and you can actually see back on the hyperlapse video where my front end starts drifting off like that. That's my rear end kicking out, having to let off the throttle, get back under it. But yeah, that was definitely a little bit of a ride. I'm here at Little America here in Wyoming. It's a nice little truck stop set out here on the plains here in Wyoming. It's pretty nice. Taking my dirty 30 or a 30-minute break, which we're required to take per DOT regulation. Drive more than 8 consecutive hours, you have to stop for 30 minutes before you can complete your rest of your 11 hours of driving for the day. So just knocking that out, waiting on my road partner to get up here and meet up with me. He had to stop off at the rest area back here and take care of some business. So, but check in later on, come across anything might be interesting. So I just dropped that load in Sacramento, California this morning. Currently on top of Golconda Summit in Nevada. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed some of them clips from earlier. Coming through Wyoming, coming through that little blizzard on top of the little mountain pass there east of Laramie. It's pretty nail biting. So I'll just flip the camera around, just give you some sights of what I'm looking at here on top of the mountain. It's pretty nice. It's obviously getting down here. It's pretty cold here up on top of the mountain. It's probably in the high 70s here at the house over in Mississippi. So it's definitely quite the climate change from what I'm used to. But yeah, like I said, the past video, I'm gonna try to shoot for at least one video a month, maybe 2 or 3. I gotta get me a laptop or something to be able to better edit videos out here on the road instead of having to rely on my phone, because it can only take up so much space worth of videos. So I hope y'all enjoyed that little few clips of coming through Wyoming. There'll be a lot more videos like that, plus some more in-depth stuff for these attractions and stuff they got along the highways and interstates and byways here in the US. I'm gonna be stopping and seeing and making videos of. So if you're new to the channel, if you would, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. For people who've been around since the beginning, I appreciate you and hope you stick around. See you on the next one.